Hey here! So this is city living. Where am I? I better look at my map. It's so confusing. Hang on. I know where I am. I think. I'll go this way. Oh, someone's calling me. Hello? Oh hey, how's things? This place is huge! Oh my gosh, the party was amazing! Ow! What a great day! Oh, no! My delivery! I'll call you back. Okay, who threw the map? There's only one thing for it. A cooking challenge. This is your own fault. Okay. Huh? Where are we? The city scares me. I'm gonna enjoy this. What's Lizzy doing?
It's time for the first challenge. Go!
Oh, ice cream. I thought it was a challenge. Too easy.
I always come prepared. Aha! This will be useful. What else do we have? Oh, chocolate spread. My soda. I thought I had more. Oh well, I better finish it off. Look. I hope I remember my ninja training. I haven't lost it. Liam? Where did he go?
Is it over? I've told you. Warn me before you do that. Last time I got a black eye.
You were in my way. Never get in my way. Let's do this. I'll pour the chocolate spread into the top of the bottle. I'll rotate it so that it's nice and even. Now I need to let it set. This looks great. Next I need the cream. I'll fill it all the way to the top. Now I need some toppings. Delicious blueberries. You gotta have some fruit. I'm proud of this. What do you think, sweetie?
It looks good. Where's yours, Liam? Check this out. First, I need a sugar cone. And now for the good part. Looks good, huh? My mouth is watering already. Let's get scooping. It's perfect. What do you think?
Wow, Liam! It looks great!
I'll add more. You can't have enough ice cream. How's that?
I love it! Wow!
That's what I thought. For that, you get another scoop. It's getting tricky now. I'm not finished yet. I need some sprinkles. It looks amazing. And I'm done. Oops. You didn't see that, right?
Well, that's disappointing. Ha! Nice try, loser! Sorry, Liam. Granny wins. Well done! Did you hear that? I win!
I'm going first. Ooh, pasta. Easy. I've got this. This is what I need. I have pasta every summer at the villa in Italy. I put it into the pot, right? That should be enough. And now I wait. It's nice to have some me time. Do you smell that? Oh no! My pasta! This didn't go to plan. But I still cooked it, even if it is a little crisp. Pretend you didn't see that. My turn. Whoa! A raw chicken? Ugh! What am I supposed to do with this? Wait, I know. Hey, this is for you. That cat is the best chef I know. Oh, you need to massage the chicken first? I so need a massage right now. Then brush melted butter onto the skin. Add a little seasoning, then roast it. Whoa! It looks amazing! What? What's this? You were supposed to help me! I need to make a phone call. Mommy, I need your help. I hope this works. Mommy's here, and I made you a delicious chicken. Now give me a kiss. Mom! So embarrassing. Oh, I'll take that. It's better than burned pasta. This is for you. Love you, sweetie. This is perfect. See, you don't need fancy chefs. I'm definitely winning this round. Well, here goes. This is tense! Yes! I can't say I'm surprised. Ready for the first challenge? It's delicious ramen. Ooh! Hey look!
What?
I love ramen! Huh? What am I supposed to do with this? I thought it would be ready to eat. A little help? Do I need to do everything? Okay. Whoa! Are you seeing this? How did you do that? It's mine! Let go! No! Never! I can't believe you did that! Hey, you were too slow. Looks like I'm cooking my ramen. I'll put the other block in the kettle. Then switch it on. It's a different way of cooking them, but hey, it works! My mouth is watering already. Just look at those noodles! They're ready! I can't wait to try them. But it needs something else. That's one happy-looking sausage! It sure is. But don't play with your food. Aw, come on, look at it. I'd eat it. I need to think of something. That's not gonna work. Why is this so difficult? Uncooked noodles aren't good. I don't know what to do. Now I feel bad. Maybe I can help. Hey, Tina! Psst. What is it now? Check this out! You can use it for your noodles! Really? Oh, this is a gooey booger. Okay, let's do this. I'll put some lettuce on it. It's like building a burger. I'll keep that for later. Hey, time's up! Phew. Just in time. It's not great, but it'll have to do. What have you done? That doesn't look good. Do I get something for trying? No. Look at Ava's dish. Her noodles are cooked. Looks like I win this round.
Ooh, drawing is fun. What is she doing?
I can't see.
Lizzy! It's ready! Huh? You gotta make me a burger.
Nice.
I better get started. I've got all my ingredients. Nothing but the best for my Lizzy. Let's build this burger. I'll start with a patty. And a tomato, cheese, and ham. And another patty. It's gonna be a tower.
Whoa, that looks delicious.
It's all going on. And finally, more cheese. Meh, I just need this one.
Ow! Luckily I'm not lactose intolerant.
Finally the bun. Steady. It's a masterpiece. It's my finest creation.
I think I'm in love. But how am I gonna beat this? Hang on.
I'll keep that for later.
Hey, Lizzy. Can you pass me that?
Huh? This one? Sure, why not?
Ow! Thanks. But I meant that.
Oh, the poppet! Catch!
Thanks. This is perfect. I have the poppet and a bowl of gummy bears. I'll melt the gummy bears and pour them into the bun part of the poppet. Now for the other sections. Then I'll let it set. I think it's ready. I'll carefully remove it from the poppet. Great. I don't need this anymore. Now I need a side of french fries. I don't want to break them. Looking good. I can place them in this carton. And it's ready. I think it looks good.
What do you think, honey? I hope you're hungry. Is that candy? This is tough. It's a tie! Well done!
That seems fair.
Let's eat!